Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to create a motivational post using Canva for an Instagram page. First step, you have to come to this page, canva.com. Once you have registered, you have to click Create a Design. Now, it is really important that you actually choose the correct type because this determines the actual size of the image. We are going to choose Instagram post because we are going to be making an Instagram motivational post. Okay, so now that we are in the editor, I'm going to pull up an image which I've saved on my computer, which will be the background. To upload an image, you just have to click upload on the left side, click upload media, and it will select. You can select it from your computer. Okay, now we're just waiting for the image to upload. Perfect, now it's uploaded. Now we have to place it on the actual page. We just have to make it full size. There we go, perfect. This will be the background of our post. Now we just have to put some text on it, and I've actually already looked for a motivational quote, which I'm going to be placing on top of this. Click add subheading, and I will paste in my motivational quote. Okay, there we go, it's pasted in. Now let's just change the color of it maybe, so it's less transparent and you can actually see it more better. That didn't get any better. Let's try another color actually. Maybe something darker. Would that work? No, that doesn't work. Green? Okay, green can work. You can mess around with this for a really long time, really, until you find like the perfect setup for your image and your perfect quote. My quote is, if you're not willing to work for it, then don't complain if you can't have it, which is actually really true. Okay, perfect. So now that we've placed this here, you can, it's still not very visible. Maybe if I move it down here. Perfect. Now that we have the actual post, all we have to do now is just click download. This will, you can select the actual format that you want to download it in. I'm just going to go with PNG because it's high quality. And you just have to click download and it will save it to your computer. It looks perfectly fine, it's really high quality. And that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time.